Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for GE shipping. GE ship is the ticker name and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. This is the historical price chart and here each candle represents 1 month and these are all the technical indicators and the respective graphs generated for this stock to do the technical analysis. Now if you look at the historical path pattern of GE shipping, you can clearly see that the stock had been moving sideways for a long period of time, and here too there is no particular path pattern, and there is a lot of zigzag movement. And if we take this particular point as origin, in June 2013 onwards, the stock started moving in the upward direction, continuously making new highs. You have 1, 2, 3, and after that, yeah, this thing, and after that, the next new high, which is at with the slightest difference made in April 2017. Okay, just I think 1 rupee or 2 rupee difference. That's it. Not beyond that. Okay, so this is the thing, and there is a lot of sideways movement if you can see, and even after making after reaching the peak here, again the stock broke into sideways movement again. So this particular stock has no actually path pattern. Okay, consistent path pattern is missing here, so it is not possible to decipher actually in which way it is going to move, and most of the time it is sideways movement only. So this kind of stocks normally we don't consider for medium or long term investments, but this kind of stocks are very good for short term investment. So that is what that is the initial conclusion, but we will go through the technical indicators and then I mean the guiding parts of the technical indicators, and then only at the end of the video we will make a conclusion based on the signals that they are the guiding points give us. Okay, now this stock has already crossed its 20 and 50 day moving average averages, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode. Good. And relative strength of the stock is quite low. It is playing at the midpoint, and the directional strength is also converging, so no, not up to the benchmark level. Actually it is going down. Stochastics, so it is very clear that negative trend is going on right now, and since the slow line is on top of the fast line, and both lines are playing around the 20 line. Okay, and momentum is clearly in the negative zone, and balance of power and LRA both are showing us that the stock is in a bearish phase, and Quebec is clearly showing that the stock is in the buy zone, but still if you look at the tip, it is moving in the downward direction, slightly tilted towards the bearish phase, I mean buy sell zone. Okay, so overall the guiding points of all the technical indicators are all throwing negative signals only. On top of that, the only I mean we have this path pattern which is missing, and the only good point is that the stock is in the positive, I mean right now under the influence of positive super trend. That is the only thing that I am saying, and other than that I am not saying any other signal that is at the benchmark level which we can talk about. So as for me, if you are looking, I mean considering the path pattern, considering the guiding points of the technical indicators and all these things, I feel like I go by my initial conclusion that this stock is good for can be considered for short term trading only. This stock cannot be considered for medium or long term investment. Okay, at this moment. So we'll come back to the stock later after a few days, and then we will redo the analysis. Until then, this stock can be considered only for short term trading. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.